These Amazon kitchen finds are actually worth buying. From smart gadgets to everyday essentials, they'll make cooking easier. Let's get started. All products links are in the description below. Number 1, the Moforoco over-the-door pantry organizer, a must-have for anyone looking to maximize pantry space. It hangs right over your door to create extra storage for spices, snacks, canned goods, bottles, and other everyday essentials. The sturdy design keeps everything organized and easy to reach, while the tool-free installation makes setup quick and hassle-free. It's a simple way to add more storage and keep your kitchen clutter-free. Number 2, the Pomeat refrigerator organizer, a smart way to keep your fridge neat, organized, and easy to navigate. It's perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, drinks, snacks, condiments, and other everyday groceries. The clear, stackable design helps maximize refrigerator space while making it easy to see exactly what you have. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your fridge organized and helps reduce food waste. All products links are in the description below. Number 3, the Sunfacon cutting board rack, a simple yet practical organizer that keeps your kitchen essentials neatly stored and easy to access. It's perfect for holding cutting boards, baking sheets, serving trays, pot lids, and even cookware. The compact design helps free up valuable cabinet space while keeping everything organized and within reach. It's an easy way to make your kitchen more efficient and clutter-free. Number 4, the LOHASOK Bread Box, a stylish countertop storage solution that helps keep your bread fresh and your kitchen organized. It's perfect for storing bread, bagels, muffins, tortillas, and other baked goods while protecting them from dust and moisture. The spacious design reduces countertop clutter and adds a clean, modern look to any kitchen. It's a great way to keep your favorite baked goods fresh and within easy reach. Number 5, the Kitstorack under sink organizer, a smart storage solution that helps you make the most of every inch of cabinet space. It's perfect for organizing cleaning supplies, dish soap, sponges, paper towels, and other household essentials. The sliding drawers provide easy access to everything, while the sturdy design keeps your cabinet neat and clutter-free. It's an easy upgrade that makes everyday organization simple. All products links are in the description below. Number 6, the Dunruz Snackle Box Container, a fun and practical way to organize your favorite snacks on the go. It features multiple compartments for fruits, crackers, nuts, candy, cheese, veggies, and more, making it perfect for road trips, picnics, lunchboxes, movie nights, or family gatherings. The secure lid helps keep snacks fresh, while the compact design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Number 7, the Pipishell Silverware Organizer, a smart drawer organizer that keeps your kitchen utensils neatly arranged and easy to find. It's perfect for storing forks, knives, spoons, serving utensils, and other kitchen tools while maximizing drawer space. The expandable design fits a variety of drawer sizes, making it a simple way to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. All products links are in the description below. Number 8, the HOSHANHO Knife Magnetic Strip, a sleek and space-saving way to keep your kitchen knives organized and within easy reach. The powerful magnetic strip securely holds knives, kitchen shears, and other metal tools while freeing up valuable counter and drawer space. Easy to install and built to last, it's a stylish upgrade that keeps your most used tools safely stored and ready whenever you need them. Number 9, the Lenwi Rice Dispenser, a convenient storage solution that keeps rice and other dry foods fresh, organized, and easy to dispense. It's perfect for storing rice, beans, oats, cereal, and other pantry staples while protecting them from moisture and dust. The one-touch dispenser makes measuring quick and mess-free, helping you keep your pantry neat and your ingredients within easy reach. All products links are in the description below. Number 10, the Artliving Dish Rack, a practical kitchen essential that keeps your dishes organized while they dry. It offers plenty of space for plates, bowls, cups, utensils, and more, helping you maximize counter space and reduce clutter. The sturdy design and built-in drainage system make drying dishes quick, clean, and hassle-free. It's a simple upgrade that keeps your kitchen neat and efficient. Number 11, the Pancake and Cupcake Batter Dispenser Set, a must-have baking tool that makes pouring batter quick, clean, and mess-free. It's perfect for pancakes, cupcakes, muffins, waffles, and more, helping you create evenly sized portions every time. The easy squeeze handle gives you better control, reducing spills and making baking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 12, the Salabarpro Raised Cutting Board, a smart kitchen upgrade that gives you extra workspace while keeping meal prep organized. The raised design creates additional storage underneath, making it easy to slide bowls, plates, or ingredients out of the way as you chop. Built from durable materials and easy to clean, it's perfect for prepping vegetables, meats, fruits, and more while maximizing your counter space. Number 13, the KAZAI Kitchen Compost Bin, a stylish countertop essential that makes composting simple and hassle-free. It's perfect for collecting fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and other food waste while helping keep your kitchen clean and organized. The odor-resistant lid helps lock in smells, and the modern design blends seamlessly with any kitchen decor. It's an easy way to reduce waste and make your kitchen more eco-friendly. Number 14, the WILLOW Electric Indoor Pizza Oven, a game-changing kitchen appliance for pizza lovers. It heats up quickly and cooks pizzas with a crispy crust, melted cheese, and perfectly cooked toppings in just minutes. Ideal for homemade pizzas, flatbreads, and more, it brings restaurant-quality results right to your kitchen. Perfect for family nights, parties, or whenever you're craving fresh, hot pizza at home. All products links are in the description below. Number 15, the NiHome Over-the-Sink Cutting Board, a smart space-saving kitchen tool that makes meal prep quick and easy. It fits right over your sink, giving you extra space for chopping fruits, vegetables, meats, and more. The sturdy, non-slip design keeps it stable while you work, making it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and everyday cooking. If you enjoyed these Amazon kitchen finds, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily product ideas.